The new JioPhone is not free. Let's talk about it, shall we? You're watching India Today Tech. I'm Rahul Sethi. Let's begin. Reliance has launched its new JioPhone, the JioPhone 2 at 29,999, that is 3,000 rupees. And there are no offers to bundle with it. The JioPhone 1, that is the JioPhone, had an effective price of rupees 0 because it had offers with it. It has so much more to it. And this time around, Reliance has announced the phone at a steep price of 3,000 rupees, and there's also a design shift from it. Now it's not a smartphone, it's still a feature phone. It has a horizontal display and a QWERTY keypad at the bottom. So why would Reliance do it? The company says it has taken customer feedback, and what people are saying is that they're not able to watch videos on the JioPhone, which is true because the JioPhone has a 2.4-inch squarish display, which makes it impossible to watch videos on it. There you go, you have a horizontal display that will render all your videos properly in 16:9 format. So is that it? Yes, that is the only thing about the JioPhone. So it has a wider display so it can render your videos properly. What Reliance has done is it has used the space below properly to give you a QWERTY keypad, something like you'll find on BlackBerry phones, but at 29,999 the hardware that comes with the phone is far from what BlackBerry phones pack. Also, Reliance says there are other features on the phone. For example, you get that voice command feature. There's dual SIM slot on the phone. You get expandable storage. There's 4 GB of onboard storage and 512 MB of RAM. It runs KaiOS, which has features very similar to the JioPhone, but WhatsApp, YouTube and Facebook will be coming to the phone, to the JioPhone and the JioPhone 2 as well. So that is quite an update. The phone supports voice over LTE, 4G and voice over Wi-Fi as well. And you get apps like JioMusic, JioTV, etc. Now all of these features are nice, there's no doubt about that, but it's nice for a feature phone that comes at a feature phone's price and not at 3,000 rupees. So there are two major reasons why the new JioPhone, the JioPhone 2, doesn't really make sense. First is that it comes at 3,000 rupees, which makes it an expensive feature phone. In under 5,000 rupees, you can get some good Android phones right now that give you big screen, and they also give you a touch screen. It's true that a JioPhone 2 has a horizontal screen that gives you a better viewing experience for videos, but it's not as big as what you will get on a smartphone, and it's not a touch screen. And the second thing is that JioPhone 2 has been launched with the same old software, that is the KaiOS. Compared to a smartphone, you don't get an access to great many apps. They are very limited in number. Now, there's one bonus reason why I think the JioPhone 2 will not really make sense is that it's not a feature phone now. It has a wider and a broader form factor, which makes it slightly bulky to use. If it was a feature phone, it's very handy and you can use it as a secondary phone. The JioPhone 2 being as big as a smartphone doesn't give you that advantage. The numeric keys will be lost in the sea of QWERTY keys and you will be left finding them while dialing a number. Do let us know what you think about the JioPhone 2 in the comment section below. Also, if you have liked this video, hit the thumbs up button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel to get latest videos delivered directly to your inbox. Thank you for watching.